and today I'll be teaching you how to create French toast. What you need is 3 slices of bread, a fairly big bowl, 2 eggs, 1 vanilla extract bottle, 1 teaspoon to measure the vanilla extract, a fork to mix, and 4 cups. And also you need milk. Next you need to get your eggs and you crack them in to the bowl. And next we need to pour the milk, which I already measured. It has to be at least half a cup, which is the second biggest cup on the 4 cups. Then you pour that in. Next, we get your fork, and then you push down on all of the egg yolks, and then you start stirring it. And we're going to fast forward this bit. When it's fully mixed up, when there's no egg lumps in it. After that, you need to get your vanilla extract. Pour about a teaspoon into it. Into the teaspoon. And then you pour the teaspoon, and then you need to start getting the bread and put it in here. And then you need to press it down with a fork. And then you flip it over, and then you do on the other side. And then you do the same with the other 2. Next you need a grown-up to help with the frying pan. And then you put butter onto the frying pan, and then just let it melt, and then it'll spread all over there. And after that, we're going to put the bread onto the pan. After 2 minutes, you need to flip the bread over, and then the other side will start heating. When the toast is finished, you need to put it onto a plate, and then you have French toast. You can also put toppings on it, like maple syrup and sugar. Now all that's left now is to eat it.